Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Manjaro Linux distro on VirtualBox. First thing, go to manjaro.org to download the ISO file for installation.
But I don't break. I heard you question my stability.
Click on the download button and proceed to the following page as follows. Next, select your preferred desktop environment. Manjaro comes in 3 desktop environments, namely XFCE, KDE Plasma and GNOME. I'm going to select XFCE as it is lightweight and suitable for low-end PCs. Download the ISO as follows. Once the download has completed, open VirtualBox and create a new virtual machine as follows. Give a name to your new virtual machine.
You think that I'm insane? It's your mistake.
Next, on target, select Linux and then select Arch Linux 64-bit on version as Manjaro is based on Arch Linux. Next, choose the amount of RAM you want to share with your virtual machine. I'm going to select 2 GB. Now here you select the amount of storage you want to dedicate to your virtual machine. I recommend choosing 25 GB or more. And now select your virtual machine and go to settings for further configuration. Click on System and then select Processor and select the number of CPU cores you want to share with your virtual machine. I highly recommend at least 2 cores.
So you wanna go to war with me? You're talking.
And now on display, select the amount of video memory you want to share with your virtual machine. Also select the graphics controller. I'm going to select VBox VGA as it is the one that works for me.
I am here to stay, won't look away. The storm is coming, so you better start running.
And go click on Storage and under Controller ID and select the empty disk and proceed to select the downloaded ISO file as follows.
Coming for the throne. Kiss the rain. Ice runs in my veins. Won't play it safe.
And now you can start your virtual machine for installation.
You think that I'm insane?
Select the Manjaro ISO file here if this dialog box shows up.
And fall, I've come to take it all. I'll take it. I've come to take it. Kingdoms rise and fall. I've come to take it all.
Here you will simply select boot with open source drivers and wait for the installation menu to show up. This may take some time. Select Launch Installer. Proceed to select your language, location, and storage settings as follows. Here you will set up your username and password as follows. Select Install now.
So you wanna go to war with me? You're talking like you think you're royalty.
The installation may take some time depending on your PC's speed. I'm going to skip to the end of the installation.
Just like a guillotine, but I am here to stay.
Select Reboot now once installation has completed.
The storm is coming, so you better start running. No, you can't control, feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the, coming for the.
If the virtual machine reboots back to the ISO installation menu, simply close the virtual machine and go to Settings and then Storage to remove the attached ISO file as follows.
Coming for the throne. So you wanna be my enemy? You should've known I'd never kiss the rain. Ice runs in my veins, won't play it safe. I don't belong with you.
As you can see, Manjaro Linux has been successfully installed and booted up. You can proceed to log in and adjust the display resolution as follows.
Kingdoms rise and fall. I've come to take it all. I'll take it. I've come to take it. Kingdoms rise and fall. I've come to take it all. I'll take it all. Storm is coming, so you better start running. No, you can't control, feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the, coming for the. Coming for the throne. Coming for the throne.
And this is how you install Manjaro Linux in VirtualBox on Windows. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this and comment down below if you faced any technical issues. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.